Ayun guys, so nandito tayo ngayon, no? Nakaangkorahe pa rin tayo. Nandito tayo sa Itaqui, Brazil, no? So meron tayong anchorage dito. Then ang bawat barko dito, tinatawagan na lang sila ng port control kung meron silang confirm na berthing schedule, no? So right now, tayo wala pa, no? So itong video pala na to para to sa mga mga aspiring officers pa lang, sa mga gusto pa lang maging official or mga kadete, no? So ano nga ba yung mga ihahanda mong information bago tumawag yung BTS sa inyo, no? So mamaya makikinig tayo sa usapan ng BTS at saka ng barko. Yung mga barkong meron ng confirm na berthing schedule, no, or meron ng pilot boarding time. So mamaya tatawagan nila yan, then pakinggan natin yung mga information na kailangan nating ihanda, no, mamaya.
Victor 7 Yankee 5 calling over.
Sea Spirit Santo, this is Song's pilot station replying. Go ahead. Sea Spirit Santo, Song's pilot station.
Sir, this is Motor Vessel Sea Espiritu Santo. Sir, earlier you called our vessel, over.
Yes, sir. Calling to inform your pilot on board time is confirmed this evening. 2357, over. Espiritu Santo, did you copy?
Pilot boarding time this evening is 2357, over.
Yes, sir, that's correct. 2357. Pilot of boarding round 2.3 nautical miles northeast of buoy 19. Over.
Pilot boarding ground is 2.3 nautical miles of buoy 19.
Yes, sir. Please read your pilot ladder both sides, starboard side and port side, 2 meters above the water. Over.
Ladder port and starboard side 2 meters above the water.
Okay, sir. Request you to inform if there are any restrictions of ships, propulsion, governing, and navigation equipment.
Negative, sir. Are in no good condition. Sir, is there any pilot boarding speed for us? Over.
Yes, sir. Pilot boarding speed will be around 7 knots speed on the ground.
But that's boarding speed is 7 knots speed off the ground. Over.
Yes, sir. Please call pilot station when you start to heave up your anchor. Over.
Copy that, sir. Thank you for your information. Pilot boarding is confirmed this evening 2357. 2357.
This is correct. Pilot on board time confirmed 2357. You standing by 1416 at the time.
Stand by 1416.
So ayun guys, no, narinig naman natin yung usapan ng BTS or yung port control doon sa isang barko na meron ng confirmed pilot boarding time, no. So yung pilot boarding time, ang unang instruction sa kanila o yung unang information na binigay sa kanila is yung pilot boarding time. So ang binigay sa kanila is 2357, no, 2357 pilot boarding time. And then ang sunod na information na binigay sa kanila is yung pilot boarding ground, no. Ang sabi ng port control is northeast of buoy 19. So pag sinabing northeast of buoy 19, so hanapin nyo lang yan sa chart or sa ECDIS nyo yung buoy na yon. Yan. So ito yung buoy 19, no. Yan. Yan yung buoy 19. And then northeast 2.3 nautical miles, no. So sukat ka lang ng VRM mo, no. So ayan, 2.3 nautical miles, buoy 19. So most probably dito sasampa yung piloto nila, no. Ito yung pilot boarding ground na nandito tugma sa sinabi ng BTS or yung port control. Yan. So pangatlo na information na binigay sa kanila is yung pilot ladder arrangement, no. Pilot ladder is both side, port and starboard side, 2 meters above the water. So yun yung binigay na instruction sa kanila. So normally, no, sa regulation, pag yung freeboard nyo is lumagpas ng 9 meters, so compulsory na mag-rig kayo ng combination ladder, no? So pag ballast condition kayo, yan, nagre-rig talaga tayo ng combination ladder. So if in doubt kayo, pwede kayo magtanong sa port control kung need pa ng combination ladder, no? So yun ang instruction sa kanila, 2 meters above the water, port and starboard side. And then yung sunod is yung hiningi ng barko is yung pilot boarding speed. So ang sabi ng port control, pilot boarding speed is 7 knots over ground, no? So speed over ground ang pagbabasihan nyo na. Yan, speed over ground, hindi yung speed through water. So yun yung pilot boarding speed. And then yung last ata na sinabi sa kanila is yung kung may restriction, no? Tinanong sa kanila kung mayroong restriction sa navigational equipment o sa ship's propulsion, no? Kung walang ni-report si kapitan sa agent or sa mga authority na meron kayong problema sa inyong makina at sa inyong navigational equipment, so pwedeng sabihin yung wala kayong problema, lahat ng navigational equipment nyo ay okay, no? But you have to confirm first to master, no, kung wala talaga kayong ni-report na ganon, no? Para tugma yung inyong information na ibibigay. So yun lang, no? So yun yung mga information na kailangan bantayan sa mga aspiring na mga officers diyan, sa mga magiging third mate, mga junior officer, no, sa mga ratings cadet na kuan. Yan yung mga babantayan nyo lang, no, once na meron kayong pilot boarding time na confirm na galing sa port control. So example lang naman to, no, marami pa kayong mararanasang iba na ano. So dito mas klaro yung English nila, okay lang, pero sa ibang bansa mga ibang lingwahe na mahirap na maintindihan, no. So ano lang, vigilant lang, and then yun lang naman, additional information lang. Sana may nakuha kayong additional idea about sa bridge pag kukuha kayo ng piloto. Thank you very much at see you ulit sa sunod na video.